So how are S Corps taxed? So S Corps are mandated to take an officer's salary. That's a W-2 that you process from your business to you yourself as the owner. So you're going to be paying 15.3% in payroll taxes. If you ever process payroll for $100, you'll notice it does not cost you $100. It will actually run you up to $108, just about. And that's the payroll tax. So when you elect to be taxed as an S Corp, you're going to pay 15.3% on your payroll. But for the remaining distributions, these are bank transfers that you take out from your business, and the remaining undistributed profits, you're only going to pay 7.65% in FICA taxes. This is separate from a sole proprietorship or a partnership where you have self-employment income, because you're paying 15.3% on all of your profits. Whereas in S Corp, you're only paying 15.3% on your W-2 payroll. Right? And an S Corp is a pass-through entity, so on the federal level, you don't pay any taxes. The owners pay tax on the individual level when filing their personal tax return. So again, in S Corp, you're only paying 15.3% on your W-2, that's your officer compensation, and the remaining distributions that you take out of your business and the undistributed profits, the money that you actually leave in the business, you're going to be stuck paying 7.65% in FICA taxes. And that's where all the savings come in from. So you can imagine if you earned $100,000, you'd be stuck paying $15,300 in self-employment taxes. Versus you electing to be taxed as an S Corp, you only pay 15.3% on a salary that you deem reasonable for the work you do in your business. So you can imagine if that reasonable salary was $30,000, you'll be paying 15.3% on $30,000, but that remaining $70,000 in profits, you're only paying 7.65%. So in that example, the savings aren't there, maybe only about $5,000, but you can imagine when profits start going north of six figures, how substantial these savings could be. On $1 million, that could be $70,000 by that one move alone. Income tax is a whole other schedule.